Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Colgate dental floss 25 meter long. The price was below 200 rupees. I forget the price and the price is not available on that product packaging. It is available on Amazon, Flipkart. I don't know whether they giving the original product or not. I will never buy and will not suggest to buy from that. If you trust them, then you can go and buy. I always bought this from supermarket and medical stores. Made with a coating wax that helps to glide easily between the teeth without shredding or tearing. Daily flossing will help to keep the plaque away. It is good to remove food particles from places between the teeth where our normal toothbrush unable to reach. It protects the gum. Here is my review. I just love this dental floss. Using this from years now. Very good quality. Not that much costly, not so affordable. This was the only floss which is very thin, will not increase the teeth gap. All other dental floss are quite thick and also they get torn so easily. They are unable to reach or they unable to glide between the teeth. Colgate one is just amazing, but unfortunately it is not available on any medical store now. And I tried to find this in the supermarket. It is not available there too. And on Nika, they never kept this floss. I unable to find this product. If you find the same product, then do let me know. Thanks in advance. I want the original and not the duplicate product. Which dental floss you like the most? Please let me know. How's that floss? Thick or thin? That also try to mention. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.